Okay, this is a breakdown of what I did. First, I came to the weekly. This is the weekly, not the weekly chart, but this is an hour chart. So this green area shows the weekly range. From here to here shows the weekly range. This was Monday, and this was Tuesday. The highest high of the week was created on Tuesday, and the lowest low on a Monday. So this here to here is this Friday. So when I came to analyze the market, I saw this area. This area represents an hourly fair value gap. You get, so at first I was thinking it's going to be broken. I was thinking the market is going to break it and go up, but I don't know for sure, So I was just anticipating and I was watching. When the market came, it broke through here and reached here. So I was really a bit confused. I took a couple of losses, but not much. Then I was waiting. Then I went to the 15 minutes time frame where it became clear. When the market has hit this area, this was like a liquidity. This was like a liquidity point, this area. So when I came to the market was at this point. This was when I started trading. The market was when I started trading, or when I was started analyzing. So I was still confused. But when the market came down here, went up, and reacted on this 1 hour fair value gap, I was still confused until I saw this fair value gap. When I saw this fair value gap, I knew that the market was going to come to it and use it. So when I saw this fair value, then I went to the 1 minute. If you go to the 1 minute, you get a better entry. You see, the 1 minute, this was around 3:30 my time. So this was the entry. This was it. This is a fair value gap on the 1 minute. So when the market came, it entered here. This was where my stop loss was. So the premise was from the higher time frame. So when I entered, I took profit somewhere around here. So look at this. This is 3:30. This was the entry point. So you see, in a 1 minute is a fair value gap. In the time frame, in the 15 minutes, in the 15 minutes you saw a very value gap. So that was the reason behind the entry. Then I took profit somewhere here. I took profit. I would have waited and take care, but I don't want to be so ambitious. So it was 3:1 because I was risking $8. I think it was the risk of 3:1. 1:3, sorry. And that was what I was doing and I got it. So that's it.